Mustang Stampede. Currently looking at my 2013 Ford Explorer 3.5 V6 XLT, and just threw a code P144A on my SCT reader. So I was taking a look at it, that code, and it points to an evap purge valve. And I was watching a video, and the guy was showing one that was down there somewhere, but it was obviously a different motor. But anyway, I took my cover off, and the exact thing that he was showing in that video was right there. So I read through those comments, and I've seen that some people have used WD-40 to clean it out and then put it back in, and then it was good to go. And basically it sounds like dust or whatever gets in there and makes it not want to work properly. Yes, you can see I have quite a bit of dust that settles underneath the cover, and that's mostly because we live on a gravel road, and you cannot possibly keep all the dust out of your engine bay when you live on a gravel road. So there's the Ford cover. So I'm going to go ahead and take 8mm socket and remove those two bolts. I will disconnect this connector here, and then this will be a slide out. That green thing slides out, and I'll take the vacuum line or whatever line there is attached to it off, and attempt to clean mine and put it back together and drive it and see if I can get a drive cycle in. If not, I'll delete the code and see if it comes back. Alright, here's the little evap purge for the 2013 Ford Explorer. I went ahead and sprayed some Croil in there, cleaned it out. Sprayed some Croil in there and cleaned it out. Then I went with some rim oil because I didn't have any WD-40 laying around. So this is what you end up getting. How dirty it is on the inside there. I might actually clean it one more time and then go ahead and bolt this back on. Alright, so the evap purge valve here's, I've bolted it back on and cleaned it all up. So now I'll go ahead and clear the code and see what happens, see if it comes back, and give it a drive cycle. I'll probably just leave it in the description whether or not this worked. If not, I will be headed to the auto parts store or a Ford dealership to buy another one. I've seen some comments that says this is about an $80 part. I'm hoping that cleaning it out with some Croil and some rim oil loosens it up or allows it to actually do whatever its job is. So as always, thanks for watching.